Welcome to MarineMax and Rogers. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're going to take a look at a brand new 230 Sunsation from Premier, 23-foot tri-tune that we have here. You've got your stainless steel components with your docking lights, your running lights, and your flip-up cleats. We have the beautiful white pearl upper and then the black paneling below that. We do have the bimini top open. This is a power bimini. A lot of sun protection, and when you want to put it up and down, you just push a button. It's easy as that. So let's go and take a look here at the stern. We've got the safety railing right here, the black ski tow bar, and then the 200 Mercury outboard. And then nice big ladder getting in and out of the boat. It locks right into place. And then you've got some grab handles to get inside. So let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so starting up here in the bow, we have seating on either side with cup holders. Underneath all these cushions is tons of storage. Beautiful stone interior right here. And then with that tri-tune, you get extra storage down below for a ski locker. And then a great feature here is there's a pocket to put your phone in, so it's not getting splashed by all the water when you're on the lake. And then taking a look at the helm here, we have captain and co-captain seating, high back seats, both do swivel and adjust. And sitting up here at the helm, it's tilt steering wheel, your standard gauges with the RPMs and your fuel levels, and we have the Lowrance fish finder. Then also this is powered by Clarion audio. As we make our way to the stern of the boat, this does have a fantastic rear lounger, so many different positions you can move this around. Now I have the cushions sitting so you can hang back here and watch what's going on behind the water. Turns into a complete sun pad, or if we walk up to this side, if you and your friends and family want to sit back and relax facing forward, you can do that too. Again, lots of cup holders on either side. This boat's built for entertainment. Underneath this compartment, you can store a phone, and then you can also hook it up to a USB. And then standing here on the swim platform, there's a ton of space on either side. Big ski tow bar here. And then again, we have the safety railing. So you simply just clip on either side and you can have passengers ride back here legally underway. So beautiful boat here. Again, this is Premier's 230 Sunsation. It's located here in Rogers. So feel free to give us a call, walk right on in, or make an appointment. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.